Brick, you gonna help me with the Suburban exhaust? Yeah? Okay. Sounds good. Alright, like I was telling Brick, got the Dynaflo little bullet mufflers and an X pipe. I'm just gonna weld it up. 3-inch pipe. It's going in a 2006 Chevy Suburban 2500, the 8.1 liter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because these are so close together, I don't want them rattling, and I thought about just hitting them with a little spot weld, but if I ever need to separate them, it's going to be a bitch. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this stainless steel and just weld a bridge right there. And I'm cutting it with my Swag off-road porta-band deal. This thing kicks ass with the Milwaukee bandsaw. I'm going to show you a little tip that I did. Is I put rubber bands on it, and I put 2 rubber bands. So you got to push this thing down, and then to start it, you can put a rubber band on it. That way, you know, it's kind of awkward to press the button and cut at the same time. Okay, so I got the exhaust all installed. Let's go underneath and take a look. So this truck has 4 catalytic converters, which I left. So we have the cats up front, and then I used a Walker 3-inch clamps. So we have cats, clamps, X-pipe, bullet mufflers, clamps, and then I just got some universal piping kit where you kind of put the bends together and weld them up. And I did, you know, a tip coming out of behind each wheel well, which I think looks pretty good. But, you know, let's see how it sounds. Yeah? Okay. Sounds good.